Hey there, folks. Ever had a hiccup that just wouldn't quit? Well, meet Charles Osborne, the hiccuping champ. Charles started hiccuping in the roaring 20s and didn't stop until almost the 90s. That's like having your own hiccuping soundtrack for 68 years. He tried everything to stop them. Hold your breath. Nope. Scare yourself? Still hiccuping. But you know what finally worked? Time. Yep, the hiccups finally got tired and said, adieu! So next time you get a hiccup, remember it could be worse. You could have been the world champ of hiccuping. And that's the hilarious tale of Charles Osborne, the hiccup hero. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quirky stories. Stay hiccup-free, my friends.